we will make sure that the vessel, suppose it is to carry passengers, it will be registered under those passenger rules. If it is for cargo, there are cargo rules. So this thing captain of ports will ensure. Now, whether to do the trade, if the cargo they want to carry ore, they have to take the trade license from the mining department. If they want to do tourism activities, they can take the trade license from the tourism department. Without trade license, they cannot operate. Now, no one can say, okay, you don't register the boats. Everyone is a citizen of India. Everyone has the right, if they have got money and to conduct a business, who are we to stop it? We will generate the revenue, but we have to make sure that everything is within the ambit of the law and ambit of the rules which are in force. So this captain of ports ensures this thing, and no one can say you don't register or this thing. No other department. Everyone is as per the constitution. Every department is governed by their ways of their rules. Captain of ports also is governed by our rules, IV Act, Indian Ports Act, which is a centralized thing. So no one can tell me, and I follow as per this. If you want to register a boat, I will register the boat as per full guidelines. And this boat, whether to use for the tourism, they have to take the tourism trade license. If they want to use for the cargo, they have to take the license from the mines department.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.